Hi everybody, Tom from CSI. This is a little Christmas video on the upcoming giveaway on Christmas Day. My wife's going to draw from a hat from all the subscribed people on our CSI-Shine.com website. So you go in, you subscribe, and then we're going to put all the names in a hat, and my wife is going to draw from a hat for the brand new Flex Rotary polisher and a complete buffing kit for that tool for a rotary polisher. So please sign up. Just want to get everybody engaged. Thank you so much for the support at CSI. Merry Christmas, everybody. And we do have a really neat combo package. It's already up there. XX Polish and Auto Slick. I think it's 25% discount if you combine them. Plus, you can get another 10% from here till Christmas on anything on the site, including this combo pack. So go on in. I'll put the code right there for the 10% off. And, thanks again, everybody. Remember, CSI is different. And, one of the things that I talk about in our videos and in our podcast is what makes us different. Have you ever seen swirl marks in eyeglass lenses? I haven't. I've never ever seen them. And when I saw the process for polishing eyeglass lenses, the company that made the polish took me to where they polish canopies on 18 fighter jets. Now, to us in the trade, swirl marks are just a problem. But for eyeglass lenses, you're not going to be able to see if there were swirl marks in these lenses. These lenses are polished with one single product. F-18, F-16, and I'm sure the new jets, F-35, when they polish those canopies, they have to be polished absolutely flawlessly perfect. It's called an optical polish. And they polish, the polishing process works with one single product. That is how I invented single product polishing for the auto industry. Now, our latest product, XX, uses that technology to even polish faster than regular ceramics. It costs a little bit more. So if cost is really important, then just use the Ceram-XX product. But if speed is what you're looking for, take out any sand scratch. And we have people doing 320 grit scratches, of course 600 grit, 800, 1000 grit, all with this product. Use a rotary first, and we recommend you use a final foam pad, and we have a red foam pad for a 5-inch flex polisher, DA polisher, and use this product. So there's no need to use any other products. XX with a wool pad, XX with our red 5-inch foam pad on a 15 millimeter stroke polisher, like the Flex polisher that we sell. And all the Flex tools are on sale too on that site until Christmas. We don't normally do any discounts on those tools because there's just not a lot of money in them. But we want to make sure that if you're looking for battery-powered tools, then we have the 80 3-inch polisher, great tool, battery-powered. We have the rotary polisher with 2 batteries and a charger as a kit or a standalone. And then we have the DA polisher that is a kit or a standalone. And if you buy the kit, it comes with 2 batteries and a charger too. So check out the site. This is a great deal. The Auto Slick ceramic spray works on all surfaces in the sun or shade. Wipe it on with an applicator that it comes with, or spray it on and wipe it off. Works really good, replaces wax for your car. And then we have the Ceram-XX polish there too, the Ceram-XX polish. So thanks again, everybody. And don't forget to sign up. Even if you don't buy anything, just go into the website and sign up on CSI-Shine.com for the possibility of winning a Flex battery-powered kit, complete kit, 2 batteries and a charger, and the wool pad, foam pad combo kit with XX polish. So it's about a $650 value, and love for you to win it. So thanks again, everybody, for all the support, and can't wait to get started on the new year with everybody. And if you've got any questions, you want to get, you've got some questions about how this stuff works, give me a call, 714-906-6619. Merry Christmas from CSI.